the latest version of the J model. Look at this takeoff power. C-130J is the latest addition to the fleet. It was introduced back in 1999 and is rapidly replacing E-models as they are retired. It incorporates state-of-the-art electronic technology to lower costs and reduce manpower requirements. It can climb faster and higher than its earlier siblings, flies farther, and needs, as you see, a shorter distance to take off and land. The most noticeable outward difference is the props, 6-bladed scimitar composite props on this airplane. There are about 186 C-130s in the active Air Force. Another 328 are flown by the Air National Guard and Air Force Reserve. Another 50 are in active duty with the Marine Corps as KC-130 tankers, and 24 more of those with the Marine Corps Reserve. The engines on the airplane you're seeing here today are Rolls-Royce turboprops. In other words, it's like a jet engine, but it's driving a propeller, and again, those 6-bladed propellers. Notice, too, that with the power they have, they can really bank this thing at a very sharp angle and have absolutely no problems whatsoever. Each of those engines puts out 4,700 horsepower. He's showing you a little bit of the climbing capability of the airplane. Now he's going to bring her back down a little closer to us here. To give you some idea of the size of this airplane, by the way, the cockpit is on the second floor. You have to run the ladder to get to it. Steps. Everybody, again, always wants to know how fast these things can go. This airplane has a maximum speed of about 400 miles an hour. And even cruise speed is somewhere around 325 miles an hour at altitude. It's stuck over 22 tons of things in there. Backyard or something. $48.7 million. Going to give you a nice low-speed pass right now, high-speed pass right down over the runway here. He's not going slow. And you got to trust me on this. The original Hercules with its engines that put out somewhere in the order of 4,200 horsepower simply couldn't pull that maneuver right there. They could climb pretty steeply, but the speed fell off pretty rapidly at the top. Feature of the C-130 is the props are totally reversible on it. So you can actually, when they land the airplane, they can actually back up. has been cleared to land. Now you're going to see how quick they can get this thing stopped, I imagine. It's a very important thing when the type of missions that they fly in combat zones. You want to get on the ground as quickly as you can, get stopped, get offload, and get out of there. Again, despite its huge size, pretty slow on the approach there. Ladies and gentlemen, from the Rhode Island Air National Guard, how about it for the C-130J Hercules?